Hey, Chaz here with Magnetic speaking. I have Doug and Patrick with me from ANML. So thanks, gentlemen, for being here. And if you don't mind, just diving in and telling us a little bit about what first brought you to us, because you guys did a team training of about 13 people.
Sure. Yeah, we have a team that ranges from junior designers to more senior creatives, and we wanted to give them a little bit of training in speaking and just polish up on skills. We wanted people to have, the skill set to go into meetings and sound professional and put stories behind their work and just overall work on their delivery. So that's what drove us to Magnetic. Anything to add, Patrick?
No, right on. Just giving our team the skills and helping them evolve and get better at what they do.
Perfect. And how was the training itself?
Yeah, the training was amazing. Katie was our instructor, and I mean, she engaged our team from the very second that we met and kept the team excited and interested through the whole training. So a lot of great feedback from the team.
Perfect. And then what were some takeaways, some good things you saw out of this, improvements, however small, or some takeaways or some feedback people gave you?
I think Katie was able to zone in on specifics for each team member and give them feedback on how they could improve personally, where they should focus and whatnot. So that was really good. The exercises sort of took people a little bit out of their comfort zone so they could really practice what it would be like in a real situation. So that was awesome. Those were some of the highlights I saw. Sorry, my dog here is trying to get in this video with us.
Oh, it's all good. All right. Well, thank you both. And other than that, we'll talk to you soon.
Thanks, Chaz. Thank you, guys.